Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D300 Edition 4-wheel drive. This vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Belgravia Green. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Belgravia Green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Perlino Windsor Leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, along with your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Of course, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go, along with your 4x4 information, terrain response modes, ride height, and of course your wade sensing. All these make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you might find yourself on, or perhaps plan for in the future. To help with this further, you have a 360 view camera with an off-road feature. And of course, with your on-road feature, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And perhaps if you need that little bit extra help, the car also features park assist, whether this is to help you park or leave a parking space. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easy adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 D300 Edition 4-wheel drive that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.